Hello guys, in this video I would like to explain that how we can create multiple box and whisker plots in a single layout in R or RStudio. Sometimes you need to plot more than one plots like 2, 4, 3 or 6 in this in this layout we have created 6 multiple plots for different variables. Like the variable is not seen here, but this is CDD, this is AC25, TX90P, R95, 99P, TN90P, and the data is same, but the variable is different. So this is the data for different climate models with the observed data, the comparison. So sometimes you need, depending on your problem, you need to plot multiple box and whisker plot in the same layout in R or RStudio. If you don't know about what is mean by box and whisker plots, for what purpose we use this plot, what data format we need for R or RStudio to create this type of plots, I suggest you watch the previous video in which I explain all these topics. The link to that video is given in the description of this video. So now let's see, that's the basic thing is given in that video. Now in this video I will explain that how you can create multiple box and whisker plot in a single layout, which libraries you require for this. That's more important, because if you don't know the library you cannot create this plot. You will always print one plot in a single layout. So let's go to the RStudio and see how we can create such type of plots. This is my R script, and you can see two libraries here. I'm calling two libraries. Library ggplot2. This is a course part to create the basic ggplot. I mean box and whisker plot. You can create other type of plots as well, but of course here we are talking about box and whisker plots. So yes, and in the other library, this is cow plot. This is used to plot multiple plot in the single layout. I will explain this like this. I will explain this. I will not call this library. I will explain this when I call this library, because I'm using a function from this library. So if I'm not calling this, it will not work. And when I call this, it will work. So let's, I don't need to set path to the data, because I'm already in the same library, the same dictionary, same folder. So I just need to open this data. This is one type of data. Just open it. If you want to see the head, the top values, just look at this. And now I'm just plotting the box plot. I explained this in my previous video, geom_box plot. If you want to plot violent plot, you can write violent plot. If you want to other plot, you can name here the other plot, and then ylab and the different x-axis and the other thing. I explained this already. Okay, so just click on this. ggplot is not working. Why not working? Because I already did not call this library. Just call it. This is already installed. If you have not installed, you need to install, and then you can call it. So again, run this. Okay, it's not working great. And this is now, this plot is stored in the P1. You don't need to write P1 here. If you write P1 here and click, then it will automatically print here. So you can do that, but it is stored in the P1 now. This, the box and whisker plot for this variable, I mean now A1, is saved in the P1, remember. Now let's see. Now open the other data set and just name A2. The same thing, I stored this plot in A2, and similarly you need to do for other variables like A3. The same procedure, so I don't need to explain it. 7 A3 P3, and now for the other variable and stored in P4. Okay, this is 5 is here, so I need to do no. This is a 6. Oh, this is should be A5, because A6 is below. This is 5. You need to change this as well. You need to change this as well. Okay, the other things are not there, so this is, you need to take care of these things. Okay, I did not change. I should change this because the variable, this is the data now. You need to take care about these type of things. This is now saved in the 5, and now the last variable is this one. This is stored in SX. Remember that we have stored multiple, we stored box plots for each data set from P1 to P6. Now I need to plot all these together. I need to use this function from cowplot R library. Plot underscore grid P1, P2, comma P2, comma P3, comma P4, comma P5, comma P6. Labels auto. This will assign A, B, C, D, whatever. You can assign customized by yourself, but this will assign automatically the labels. So I think you don't need to do that. But if you want, you can change this, customize. Just write label equal to C and then brackets, and you can write small a or whatever in commas, inverted commas, comma, the other in commas, and so on. Let's run this command and see how this works. Oh, not working. That's serious. Why this not working? Do you have any idea why? Because I did not call that library already. This one. This is installed, but you need to call this before running a function from this library. Just call it. Okay. If you're not sure why this is okay, this is working, but you need to run this again. So that's will confirm it's okay. There is no error. Usually the red color, people understand this is some error. So you can just do it again. You will see there is no error actually. Okay. That need more space, so I need to do like this. Just run this and you will see it will take little time, but it will plot the plots. Yeah, that's good. You got it. So this is the output. You can see the variable name mentioned on the x-axis, and the definition. This is precipitation, so millimeter per day. This is number of days, and everything is very clearly mentioned. And as I told you in the last command, there was labels auto. They mentioned A, B, C, D, E, F. So very fancy crops you can create in this using this R script, and you can you can make some nice crops for your thesis, research paper, or research report, technical reports, etc. And yes, so this is all about the box plots, multiple box plots in a single layout in R using ggplot2 library and cowplot library. Cowplot library is used to plot all these plots in a single layout. So let's try for 4. That's how it works. You can just clean this by Control L, and now upper arrow key, you will see the command. This is the command. You can just reduce the 2. Okay, 4 only. And let's try it, how it look like. Okay. Yes, so this is 4. You can create the plots according to your requirement, according to your objective of your study, and yes, so beautiful plots, and you can then interpret. I explained the box plot in the previous video, so you can watch that video, and then you can interpret the results for your purpose of research paper or whatever. So this is all about how we can create multiple box and whisker plots in a single layout in R or RStudio. The link to this script is given in the description of this video. I stored this in GitHub repository, so the link is given. You can go to that link and download this R code And manipulate, I mean change according to your data and the things. Maybe you need only 2 or 3 or 4 or whatever plots, so you can change this, customize this according to your requirement. So this is all about today video. I hope you like the content, and see you in the next video.